This is us before the ostrich farm. Oh hell no, that's gonna be me crying. Oh, this fucking scared. Beautiful video with my beautiful man. It was eating. Oh, he's not hungry. He's not hungry no more. You hungry still, sir? Oh my gosh. They don't like these ones.
You guys are like fed.
They've been fed all day.
We're all hot.
What? Oh, they're munching. Okay. You're munching. Why are you calling them crickets? They're so cute. Hi. They're so cute. Oh my.
Dude, you'll like that.
Oh my.
It's very soft.
Oh.
It's Bambi. They killed Bambi.
Stop. Don't say that. They did not kill Bambi. She right here. She right here.
Bambi's sister.
Touch her. You messing with her day.
Sorry.
You messing with her day. Huh. Oh my god, can I touch you, Bambi? Bambi. Bambi, come here, girl. I got more food.
Hungry.
Oh, she knows I'm gonna touch her. Here you go. Here you go. I'm sorry. Mess with you. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, girl. Oh, a little white one. Oh, you're so cute. Tell your sisters and brothers. They want food? Oh, look at that big one over there. Oh, I do not want to feed that one. Oh, you're so cute, girl. Oh, sorry, girl. Oh, it's like they're licking your hand, though. They don't like these?
No, that one looks like it's like hurting them to bite.
They got goats up there, and you gotta swing up this little thing to feed it to the goats. What is that? That's kind of torture. That's torture.
It's just actually making me sad.
Oh my god, look at the food that they're transferring, bro. That's kind of sad. Oh my god. Why are we supporting these? But that view is nice though. And that view. I'm dropping the food. Come on, we gotta go see the other ones. That's crazy. That was crazy.
Why are goats in the air? Goats are well-known climbers and love to be up high. If given choice, goats will be above the highest point possible.
I feed. Just feed the bottom ones first.
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. You ready to escape? Oh, you brave. Put it in their little bin. Oh my, his like neck is coming out. Oh, Hannah. It says it does bite. Like, no. Hold up. You're crazy. You're feeding them with your hand? You're so crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh damn. They're so long and they're running. Yeah, get clickbait. Clickbait. Clickbait with the Oh. These. Go. These are sheep. He's so cute. He's like sleeping. Oh, he's ready to eat. He's ready to eat. He's ready to eat. Oh my god, it's like they're like breathing hella hard. Oh, you don't want this? You want some? Oh my god. Oh, he's petting it. Oh, good little sheep. It's bunny land. Really good. That one's so cute. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, he almost ate my finger.